Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can change the normal header into sticky header. Here you can see this is a simple header that is built with Elementor Pro. Now let me show you. This header is not sticky and I want to make this header sticky on the top side. Now let's go to dashboard, and after that in the templates let's go to theme builder. Make sure that you have installed Elementor Pro. Just you can go official website if you want to get this plugin. And after that here you can see in the header, let's click and after that edit. So here you can see this is the header. Now let's click on three dots. This is section setting in the Elementor, and after that go to advanced tab, then scroll down. Here you can see motion effects. Click here and after that just enable it on the top. Then here you can select the devices, and after that now let's update. Now let's reload the page, and now scroll down. Now here you can see header is sticky on the top side. And let's go back. Then in the section settings go to style tab, and after that add background. Color is white. Then update. Now again let's reload the website. Now scroll down. Here you can see there is a background color, so that looks perfect. In this way you can easily create sticky header with Elementor Pro.